Hi, my name is Devin, and this exciting lab is called the coefficient of static friction on an incline. By measuring the height of the inclined plane at which the wooden block slid down at, I was able to find the mu static, or the coefficient of static friction. Using the height of the inclined plane at which the block fell out, I found that using the meter stick, the height was 42 centimeters, and the length of the board was 52 centimeters. By taking the arc sine of 42 over 52, I found that theta was 53.8 degrees, and by taking the tangent of 53.8 degrees, I found that the coefficient of static friction, or mu s, ended up being 1.36. The coefficient of static friction is a measure of surface roughness and depends on the objects, like the donut on the plate here. As you can see, I'm measuring the donut sliding down, the friction of the donut sliding down the plate. By using the meter stick, I was able to find the height at which the donut slides down the plate at. And that height was 16.5 centimeters, and the length of the plate was 25.5 centimeters. So by taking the arc sine of 16.5 and 25.5, I found the measure of the angle, which was 40.32 degrees. And after finding 40.32 degrees, which is theta, you plug that into the tan theta formula in order to find the coefficient of static friction of the donut sliding down the plate. As you can see, the coefficient of static friction for the donut sliding on the plate rather than the wooden board, or the block of wood sliding on the wooden board, is a lot lower because the surface roughness of the plate is a lot less than that of the wooden board due to it just being way smoother and glossy. As the final part of the experiment, you could see me attempting the same experiment as before, but instead of the donut on the plate, I put the donut on a napkin on the plate, which raises the amount of surface roughness due to little grooves in the paper towel, causing the coefficient of static friction to become a higher number and the donut to slide down at a much higher angle and height. So here, the height at which the donut started sliding down was 18 centimeters, and the plate was 25.5 centimeters. So arc sine 18 over 25.5, you get 44.9, and that's theta. You plug that into the tan formula, and then you get the coefficient of static friction equals 0.97.